So far in this course, we've had a chance to look at the Microsoft Whiteboard and why it's such a great tool for teaching and communicating, collaborating, and building ideas. We also looked at some of the settings of the Microsoft Whiteboard, some of which we've used right away, and some that are going to become very important in some of the later lessons of this course. And we've also had a chance to look at the features of the Microsoft Whiteboard, how powerful it is, some of the things that we can do. And I hope that you're starting to think about how you're going to use the Microsoft Whiteboard in your own communication, in your own teaching. But we are not done yet. There are some other things that the Microsoft Whiteboard can do that just bring it to the next level again. And one of those features I like to call ... wow, because it's hidden behind 3 little dots on the Microsoft Whiteboard, but there are 6 features that we're going to look at in this chapter where we're going to really extend our capability to use the Microsoft Whiteboard in a pretty exciting number of ways. The dots are located here at the bottom. It's called More Options, and there are 6 options in there at this time. They've added some over the past few months. We have templates, which are built-in templates. We're going to look at those. We have images. Putting images on the whiteboard always makes it more visually appealing. We have documents, a huge feature where I can bring in PowerPoints and PDFs and put those on the whiteboard. We have loop components, a feature in Microsoft where we can collaborate through a loop component across multiple different programs. That's pretty cool. We have videos, so you can embed all of my YouTube videos on there, or you can embed any other videos that you want to have on the whiteboard and to play on the whiteboard as part of your collaboration. And we have links. So of course we can put different links to different resources on a whiteboard, which we could do in advance before we start teaching or as we're teaching and collaborating. Let's go and take a look at all 6 of these options in the ... wow section of the Microsoft Whiteboard.